Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you where to enter your coupon for Postmates. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a coupon for Postmates and are wondering where to actually enter it in. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do once you have your coupon, go into Postmates. And then for just an example, we're going to add some random foods to our cart. Okay, so right now I have a plus $20 or minus $20 coupon. So we're going to add some food and then click on view cart. And then what we're going to do next is that we're just going to go to checkout and then click on no thanks. And then right now a lot of this information is blurred, but if you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you're going to see this option here that says add promo code. You're going to see this option here that says add promo code. So click on add promo code, and then you're going to type in the name of your promo code. So for hours, we're going to type in GYTO Vegas 25 and then click on add promo. So there you have it. You've now added a promo code. You want to make sure that you go ahead and select the promo code. So you'll see that it now says select, and then it says selected, and then click on done. And then now you'll see that the promotion has been added where it's minus $20. And so with that, you want to make sure that you actually select your promotion code, and keep in mind that only one promotion code can be selected at a time. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and enter a coupon code on Postmates. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.